If you need to print a Word document in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're printing a single page, multiple copies, or adjusting your print settings before you send it to the printer, I'll make it easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open the Word document you want to print. Make sure the file is fully loaded and that the content looks the way you want it to appear on paper. If you haven't finished editing yet, take a moment to save your work so you don't lose any changes. Next, click File in the top left corner of Microsoft Word. This opens the main menu, where you can access options like saving, sharing, and printing. Once the File menu opens, select Print from the list. This will take you to the Print Preview screen, where you can see exactly how your document will look before you print it. Now take a close look at the print settings. At the top, you'll usually see your selected printer. If you have more than one printer available, use the drop-down menu to choose the correct one. Then check the number of copies you want to print. If you only need one copy, leave it as is. If you need several copies for meetings, class, or office use, increase the quantity here. You can also choose which pages to print. If you want the entire document, leave the default setting selected. But if you only need a specific page or a small range of pages, type that page range into the Pages box. This is especially useful if you only want to print one section instead of wasting paper on the whole file. Depending on your document, you may also want to review additional print options. For example, you can check whether the document should print single-sided or double-sided, whether it should be portrait or landscape, and whether margins or paper size need to be adjusted. These settings can make a big difference in how your final printed document looks. Before printing, always glance at the preview on the right side of the screen. This helps you catch any formatting issues, cut off text, or layout problems before you waste paper. If something looks off, go back and make changes in your document, then return to the print screen and review it again. Once everything looks correct, click the Print button. Word will send your document to the selected printer and the print job will begin. If your printer is connected properly and has paper and ink available, your document should print within a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully printed a Word document in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can confidently print anything from letters and reports to homework and business documents. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.